Question 5, mathematics. Now, the question gives us a Venn diagram and it's asking that the shaded region of the Venn diagram above represents dash. A, X intersection Y union Z. B, X intersection Y intersection Z. C, X intersection Y union Z. D, X union Y intersection Z. First of all, this question requires a good understanding of set operations, set Venn diagram. We really need to understand it very well. There is no really a specific way of solving this question. You just need to understand it. But I will test the option one by one and see the one that fits, that best describe the Venn diagram represented above. So let's learn from it. Now, solution. Let's start with the first option as X intersection Y union Z. First of all, the rule of BODMAS also work here. We can start with the brackets. Now let's redraw this Venn diagram without shading. This is X, this is Y, and this is Z. Now we are starting with the bracket first. Y union Z. Y union Z means the combination of both Y and Z. That means we will shade everything that is here, everything that covers this region. Everything that covers this region. So, this is Y union Z. Now, we now need the intersection of X with Y union Z. Now, this is where we have X. We now check intersection means where they both intersect, where they meet. What is common to both X and Y union Z? If you look at this, we see that it is only this region that we have here, this region that we have here, that is common. So if I shade this in another way, shading this part in another way, that means this diagram can be transformed back to this. This is the only part that I need. This part that I shade. Now, if we compare it with the original question, we are going to see that this already answers our question. That means option A is the answer. Now, for us to have more understanding of this concept, let me represent the remaining 3 options. So let's go to option B. We have already answered our question. Let's go to option B. We have X intersection Y intersection Z. First of all, this intersection sign, it is associative. I can decide to even remove the bracket from here to have X intersection Y intersection Z. This is the same as that. So X intersection Y intersection Z. So this is where we are going to have it. Let's redraw it. S intersection Y intersection Z. This is it, where the 3 of them intersect. So since this and this are equal. Now, from the next thing, let's go to option C. Option C. We have X intersection Y union Z. Let's redraw our diagram. This is X, Y, and this is Z. X intersection Y first. This is where both X and Y intersect. This is where both X and Y intersect. But they now said union Z. That means we have to shade together with this place. This is the whole of Z. We shade it together with the whole of Z. That means the whole of this region, this shaded region, represents X intersection Y union Z. Let's go for the last option, which is option D. Option D, we have X union Y intersection Z. So let's draw this. This is X, this is Y, and this is Z. X intersection Z. This is X and Y. This is Y and Z. Intersection of the 2 of them, what is common to both of them is here. but union of X. The whole of this is X. We are going to shade the whole of this together with it. So that means this shaded region represents X union Y intersection Z. So from all what we have represented, we see that the first option of that, which is option A, satisfies our answer. Thank you.